Take a ride in the 2018 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM CD MP3 radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.